Alright, let's talk about the audition process. Think of auditions like interviews for corporate jobs, but 10 times better and much more fun because you actually get to act. What a privilege. You get a chance to showcase your talents in front of a casting director, film director, writer, producer, and maybe even a client. And when you get invited to an audition, it means they want to see you. Audition is a great way to market yourself and showcase your creative talents. So every time you get an audition, do me a favor and do a happy dance. Okay? Extra bonus points if you tag me on your social media account so I can cheer you on and remind you how awesome you are. Because you are pretty awesome to follow your dreams and you need a cheerleader on your side. I volunteer to be your cheerleader, and as your cheerleader, I want to position you to do your best in your audition. So here are 10 tips on how to read the script. If you can do this before the audition, ask for the synopsis and what happens after the script. That way you have a better idea to prepare for your audition. All right, so let's get started. Number 1, adapt roles to your personality. What would you do in that position? Not what others would do or what you saw the other actors do, but what would you do? They're watching you, not the other actors. So this is your time to shine, baby. 90% of performance is your personality. You're the special sauce, so just be yourself. And so when you are auditioning for the role, ask yourself, who are you? Where are you? What would you say and do if you were in that position? Put your own flair to the character, okay? So not the stereotype that you're used to seeing on the media, but put your own flair to it, all right? Okay. Number 2, write a bio of your character to really be in their shoes. Walk in their shoes. Create the backstory for your character so you're painting the reality that you want to be in when you play this character. Number 3, as you read the script, write down each emotion for every line you say. This will help you understand what your character is going through, and it will help you understand the lines better too. Why are they saying what they're saying? What are they feeling? You want to bring that out to life. Number 4, think about who you are talking to. What can you put in your mind that will stimulate you to put out the emotions and the energy to bring the script to life? Number 5, identify the style. Is this a soap opera theme? Is it drama, comedy, action, romance, funny, right? This will give you a better idea of the environment you're in and the choices that you can make, right? If this is drama, then you're gonna... I need a moment, right? It's over dramatic here. Drama queen, just kidding. Number 6, beyond the dialogue, what else is going on? What is the text doing that you don't have to? Number 7, what is the trap? Meaning, what's the obvious act or obvious choice that other actors will follow? And how can you do something original? Number 8, what is not in the script that can be created by you? I have an actor coach who always asks, how can we add a button or a bow into the script? How can you create something that will be uniquely yours, created just by you? Number 9, don't act, live it. Be in the character's shoes. Allow the character to live in you and bring the character out. Number 10, show respect to the script by taking your time. You take your time when you live your life. It's the same with the character too. They are a living, breathing being. So take your time as you deliver the lines. So that's the 10 tips to read a script. And hey, you do know you got this, right?